Welcome to the LG Customer Support channel. This short video will show you how to properly place and cook with the griddle pan on your LG double gas range. The griddle pan is a non-stick, flat cooking surface used for foods that are typically prepared in a frying pan or skillet, such as pancakes or meat. The griddle pan can only be placed over the center oval burner grate. To properly place the griddle pan, align the two locating slots under the pan with the center grate. The fingers on the grate should fit into the slots and provide a stable support for the griddle pan. It is recommended to preheat the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes on high before cooking. Place the food on the pan once it is hot, and adjust the heat setting as needed during cooking. When cooking greasy foods on the griddle pan, take caution not to spill the grease over the pan. Also, as with any non-stick pans, it is not recommended to use metal utensils or to place other pots and pans on the griddle, as they could scratch and damage the pan.